Now, this is the extension work that you can present to the child after you had done part 1 and part 2 several times. Remember, during the part 2, a muscular impression of length and weight solidifies the concept of quantity. A child very concretely learns by feeling the weight and the length that 1 is small while 10 is big. And during the second part, we are learning the names of the numerals, the symbols that represent particular quantity, and we'll learn to associate an abstract symbol to a concrete quantity. And this is an extension work where we will be building a rod stair and associating a numerical symbol to each quantitative rod. This is how you'll present the lesson. You will lay out all the rods randomly but parallel to each other with the red segment on a far left of your mat. I'm reversing the presentation so you see exactly how you would present it to the child. You will also line up these wooden cards or numerals, and you will ask the child to name you each numeral. What is this? 2. What is this? 5. So we want to make sure that the child knows the names of all the numerals before we proceed to work with this extension. So in this particular presentation, we want to connect something abstract, such as numeral, to a concrete quantity. So this lesson will serve as a bridge connecting abstract to concrete. You will ask your child, will you please find me a 1 rod? Will you now please find me a card that says 1? This says 1. Will you please find me a 2 rod? 1, 2. Will you please find me the card that says 2? Will you please find me a 3 rod? 1, 2, 3. This is 3. Will you please find me the card that says 3? Will you please find me a 5 rod? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. Will you please find me a card that says 5? So remember, here we're building a bridge between the abstract, symbolic, numerical representation of true quantity. So your child is learning to associate a numeral to quantity, and we are also building a rod stair, exactly the same way you would build it with the sensorial Montessori red rods. And after you had assigned a numerical symbol to each quantity, you can present a 3-period lesson. This says 8. This says 4. This says 10. Where is 4? Where is 10? Where is 8? What is this? 10. And what is this? And what is this? 8. And you can pick 3 different numbers each time while you are presenting the 3-period lesson. And remember, here we want to solidify the association of a numeral to quantity.